Rest and recovery part 2. So last time we discussed it is very important to focus on our recovery time, and the reason of that because we're building muscle actually when we are resting and recovering after our workouts. And the first thing what we discussed to do is nourish our body with nutritious food, enough protein, a good amount of carbohydrates, and a minimum amount of fat in order to proper function. Now, besides that, what else we could do? Let's see a few favorite of my tips. Number 1, sleeping. Sleeping, it is crucial, okay? The good amount of sleeping, but besides that, you have to make sure the quality of your sleeping, okay? So you have to make sure dark environment, quiet environment, no disturbance, okay? You have a good deep REM sleeping, and when you wake up you actually feel resting, you feel recovered. That's how you know you should feel the difference between the sleeping, and you will know which one was it helpful for you and which one not, okay? Besides that, drink water. Drink water. Do everything in order to drink water, okay? That's a common mistake. People not drinking enough water, they're not feeling thirsty, they forgot to drink, and so forth and so forth. This is very important in order to function properly. You get mental clarity. You can focus better on your diet or your proper nutrition if you're not dieting but you trying to build muscle. Adequate hydration helps for your muscle cells to get the nutrients easier and also repair and recover better. Besides that, if you can implement some mobility workout after training for calm down the nervous system, to release that muscle tension what you created in your training, with static stretching, with dynamic stretching, with foam roller or other tools like massage gun, anything which feels good, releases your muscle tension, relieve your muscle tension and calms you down, going to be helpful because your nervous system calms down, your cortisol gonna calm down, and because of that you are capable build more muscle.